Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We on. That's good, people. It's your boy Harlem, and we about to live trade with Harlem part 5. Before today it's part 5, but I have some things to say. Yesterday, yesterday around. Okay, so now today it's a Friday. It's the 8th of April. 08:57, that's the time, AM, Central African time. I'm in Southern Africa, Johannesburg, Alexandra, Tutumani, that's a township I live in. So, yeah, so now I won't stay long in the charts. Around 9:30, I need to go shopping today. So, I need to go out before me. So, I won't stay long. Well, what's actually making me be live now, it's actually that I'm not basically going to trade, but I will analyze to catch a trade before me. But I just want to talk about the account before me. We all can see that my account was on, I think, 36 Rand, and it's on 13 right now. We're trading at 13 bahts right now before me. So now, yesterday, I took 3 trades before me. I took 3 trades, y'all can see. Let me try and do this. Now I need the 3 trades to show. I need the 3 trades to show. Yeah. Was it 2? Yeah. 5, 7, 5. Okay, it was 3 trades I took before. So now, with the 3 trades that I took, I will explain everything. We all saw that like NASDAQ price clearly pushed to the downside for me. So now during this move, we all can see that price pushed and exhausted and broke out of this level before me. So now from here, let me try and remove it and do so. From there, we're looking at this level right here before me. So from that level right there, we saw price rejecting right there, rejecting this level. I saw, okay, we had a punt bar closed, double top, and we broke the punt bar, unfortunately, in a double top. But we came back to the level which we broke, forgetting about this major important level which we broke before me. So from that, from that move, we saw, okay, I was like, okay, let me wait for price to do what, to close bearish with the next candlestick from the pin bar to anticipate that to break out and retest in a double top, anticipation that price will move to the downside. But unfortunately, price just did what? Price just moved to the upside, and we saw a rejection right there. And I saw the second rejection right there. And I was like, this candlestick was bearish. And I was like, okay, now it's time for me to execute. And I took trades. Boom, boom, boom. The market didn't be wrong. I was wrong. I personally was wrong. First things first, when I always take good trades, I take 1 trade. I don't add 2 or 3 trades for me. But when it's wrong trades, I did what? I added more trades. So that was wrong. We move, we accept. So today we can all see the price is clearly like moving to the upside for me. It's back again at the same level of enthusiasm that we was looking at right there. So let's look at the 4H. We all can see that like the 4H is kind of like forming a bear flag, which you all can see it. You're forming kind of like forming a bear flag, which you all can see it. So I believe that like with this push and price exhausting right there, with the push and exhaustion, we know that like price needs to continue pushing to the downside. And I have my coffee with me right now, and it's kind of like getting a bit cold. So now I just want to see how price reacts from the level which it broke. Your phone, and I feel like I need to like move this level to here to cater for this level. You feel me, boy? I believe that like that's the more important one right there, starting off way right here, but yeah. So let's look at the hour. Yeah, with the hour, we can tell that like we have kind of like a flag, but at the same time, I can see a head and shoulders. I don't know what you guys see. Move this. Don't sit around with the hourly chart. So this is what I see. This is what I see. This is what I see. I see a bear flag on the 4H, and I see head and shoulders on the 1H. But I believe that like price needs to fail breaking this level. I don't believe that like price would break this level. You feel me? So um 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 to me, I would say this is a level, that's just like my intraday resistant level that I'm not finna use. Let's take this back where it belongs, right there. You feel me? So and let me do this and just cater for this right there. You feel me? So I believe that like that's a level right there. So looking at the 15-minute chart, price is clearly at the level which it reacted from yesterday, previous days. You feel me? So, but literally, price is moving sideways. Like literally, price is just like moving sideways. You feel me? So, what does I believe that like I can get a quick in and out, not to stay too long in the charts, but just to get a 1-to-1 from that level. You feel me? But it literally needs a 1-minute chart for bigger moves and quicker moves. You feel me? Ah, man, I'm talking this shit be, man. The fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Breakout and retest, and I'm in. It is what it is. I will grow this account back to where it belongs. I know it. I believe it. I always do it. And my homie want the fun on, and he want me to get him high, bro. And I got weed, bro. And I got money to get weed, bro. I ain't got money to get weed. It's a Friday. I finna wanna go shopping. There's some shoe that I wanna get. I know these shoes fly, bro. Fuck what you think. Fuck what you think, bro. These shoes fly for real, bro. Some sketches, bro. They fly, like they literally fly and they dope. I'm getting the shoe today. I'm getting you, homie. I'm getting you. So, is it my time to enter? I think so. Think so. I think so. Execution time. Execution time. It's execution time.
Yeah, it's interesting, isn't it? There does seem to be a growing plan for the downside markets. Deutsche Bank, I think, yesterday put out a piece arguing that they see the likelihood of recession is coming into 2020. They talked about a 20% pullback, of course, here. We talked a lot about the stocks this morning and individual stories, but something we perhaps didn't mention on the data front, and I just want to flag this up because, Karen, you and I both know that those who continue to be bullish here make the case for there being still this pool of excess savings in the United States and elsewhere post the COVID lockdowns that will continue to drive earnings going forward, even as we know inflation is beginning to bite into household budgets and it is having some impact on the way corporates are.
0909, that's the time. I pray for wealth, safety, positivity, good aura, positive vibes, good food, good health, good wealth, good family, good cars, good home, bigger profits, bigger bag, bigger skills, bigger risk reward ratios, bigger investments, and most of all, a good life. In your name, I put my all to you, sweet Jesus. No one can take what you give to us. Amen.
Those things that maybe they didn't get enough of running into the end of the year in the holiday season? Or are we actually now starting to talk about a situation where, because of the challenge to household budgets from inflation,
I'm in, bro. Like I'm in, bro. I'm in. I got what I'm looking for. And I have it. Yeah.
negative message about demand going forward at a time when I think we're already beginning to worry that any Fed rate hikes.
Come on, bro. That ain't shit I'm looking for, bro. Literally, that ain't shit I'm looking for, bro. Like, that ain't shit I'm looking for. That ain't shit I'm looking for.
That actually is on very wobbly legs.
I don't have data. How the fuck is it possible? I'll be back. I'm looking for something like, yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's that strange. You would have thought, given how robust the package is being told underlying conditions are, that we're now again discussing a fiscal response.
I think I just like had to wait for price to come back to my level right there, this level of resistance right there, which I'm on. I feel like I needed to wait for it before me to like, yeah, let it move smooth. Let it move smoothly and enjoy the ride. I hop on the wave and do like something, bro. Just like surfing and you feel me, but like I'm still holding it. I know that our price gonna come back and make those lows that like you have made. You feel me? I know it. And it's not literally a trade that like I'm really saying I'm eager to catch or to be on. I'm not even adding it on my trading view. You feel me? Just to let it. You feel me? But like yeah, we move. We move. We move. We move.
They are still interested in going into the markets. I told you that conversation that you supply chain. Business and CNBC. CNBC Pro. Access CNBC's live streams around the globe. Actionable investment ideas and analysis exclusively for Pro subscribers. CNBC.com/pro. CNBC.
What the fuck am I capping about? This is live trading with Harlem. Part 5, bro. Part 5. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Woo! How do you switch? Man. Let's go, baby. What was I looking for in my phone, firstly? Why the fuck ain't my network working, bro?
Right now. And so what's the total? 8,700. Before you put them away. So this is for you.
Okay. 10,000.
But I just want this one.
Oh, this?
You keep those.
Oh, thank you.
That's it.
Really?
I'm dead serious.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Amazing. I love drowning self-hatred.
I need it people right now.
And so what's the total?
We're expecting maybe a high level, maybe a record extension, more than 30%, but it's not sure because people still like the French presidential election and some of them can decide at the last time, at the last moment to vote at the end of the day. Who can be more damaged by a high extension? Because I've read him saying it's bad because usually voters are more mobilized than Marine Le Pen's voters and maybe less interested in politics in general. So what impact does this extension have? I would say that there's two kind of answers to that. The first one is sociological. If you look at the sociology,
Fuck, I think like price is failing. Yeah, price is failing. I might go out. Yeah, I might go out. Because the 1 minute pushes. The price rejects us bigger time frames. That means the 1 minute going to push. Before we see like what they do now. Like they're going to push. So let's see what they do. I'ma hold it, but like because we still in our price level. You feel me? But the reason I put a stop loss from that level is because I'm trying to like save the account. You feel me? Once it hits stop loss, I won't be able to like to execute trades. I won't be able to.
Let's look at the second one then. It looks at the moment likely that we have a rerun of the 17 to macro against the Fed. For some of the tools, we are within the margin of error. How much of a shift do you see it could be in the next 2 weeks? Or are we really within the error?
Yeah, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. It's a feel like it's over. Like it's over. That's not over. Aye, your NASDAQ is failing, guys. It's failing, but I won't close the trade unless it hits the stop loss. But if it do hit the stop loss, that means you have a bullish continuation to the upside. So yeah, I will be back maybe around 3 p.m., 4 p.m. to trade the New York session. So we'll see how it is, how it moves, how it reacts. So for now, it's bye. But I'll be back. I'm not living forever. You know it. 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 It's part 5.